Meditate with God.
Meditating with God can be a deeply enriching and spiritual experience. Here are some steps you can take to meditate and connect with God. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet and peaceful place where you can sit or kneel comfortably without distractions. Set the mood. Light a candle, burn incense, or play soft instrumental music to create a calming atmosphere. Relax and breathe. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Focus on each breath as you inhale and exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. Pray or reflect. Start by praying, expressing gratitude, or simply talking to God. Share your thoughts, feelings, and desires from the heart. Read scripture. Choose a passage from the Bible that resonates with you. Read it slowly, letting the words sink in and reflecting on their meaning. Meditate on God's presence. Visualize God's presence around you, filling you with peace, love, and light. Feel His presence as you open your heart to Him. Listen for His voice. Be still and listen for God's voice in your heart. He may speak to you through thoughts, feelings, or a sense of peace and clarity. Practice gratitude. Take time to thank God for His blessings, guidance, and love in your life. Acknowledge His presence and work in your life. Stay in silence. Spend a few moments in silence, simply being present with God. Allow yourself to rest in His love and grace. End with a prayer. Close your meditation with a prayer, expressing your trust in God, asking for His guidance, and committing to walk in His ways. Remember, meditation with God is a personal and intimate practice. Allow yourself to be open, vulnerable, and receptive to His presence. Trust that He is with you, listening to you, and guiding you on your spiritual journey.